I decided to go with a neutral lips because my eye is already doing the talking. And then so for this eye look, I've already done my eyebrows. They are hideous, I know, but I had to walk around it because if you can look closely, there are so many hairs here and above. I haven't like touched my eyebrows, waxed, trimmed, cut the hairs since December, so almost 3 months now. So I had to work with what I have, but I'm going to be doing this tutorial with just one palette, which is the ZULU palette by Juvias. Please, let me just show you. We want color. Color is what we want for this video. Color is the vibe for this video. So my main reason for falling in love with makeup is having to play with different colors and all that stuff. So I want to do that now. I'm not going to show you guys how I got my eyebrow look or my base look. If you want to do that, there are so many other makeup videos that I've done showing you the full face bead and eyebrow. Today is just focusing on the, eyelid, the eyeshadow, so that, to keep the video short. Anyway, I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place concealer. Focus. No, focus. It has refused to focus. I don't know why it's doing that, but it's my Juvia's Place concealer in 16. And I'm just going to, dab one dot here and one dot here. In case you see me looking sideways or downwards a bit, I'm looking at my mirror. So just to prep the eyes. I don't want to prep, I don't want to add so much because I'm still going to go in with something else to cut my crease and all that. So I'm trying to minimize the amount of product I have on my lids in order to reduce creasing, because I have lines in my eyes and I don't want my makeup to crease. So let's start with my eyelids. I want to go in with this orange color. See, we are going to play with colors today. There's no rule to the game, okay? So I'm going with this orange color right here into my crease. I'm going to just blend that into my crease. Okay. Upward more towards the brow because I want it high. But I'm going to turn the other end. I'm going to go in with this brown shade to give it a little bit of a depth. So to be honest, I feel like using every single color on this palette. That is exactly how I feel right now. But let's see what we can work with. We're gonna try just using this only on the outer corner. I'm going in with this type of brush right here. There. And I'm just going to go in with the purple right here. Now I'm going to go in with this. Is a benign clown white foundation. I'm actually going to be using that to cut my crease. So I'm going in with this Sigma brush. Is the Sigma F75 brush. And that's what I'm going to be using to cut my crease. So packing it onto just halfway through. Now to the fun part. I'm going to go in with this color right here, this blue right here. I know I'm going for a rainbow look, please, so just bear with me. I'm going to just tap that here. Don't worry about how this place is looking. I'm still going to go in with the purple I don't usually set the eye if I want it to, the color to be pigmented enough. So if I wanted it muted down like a mattifying look, then yes, I would set the eye. But in this situation, I'm not doing that because I want the color payoff to pop. Now, I don't know if you can see, but this part of my eye here is creasing a little bit, so I'm going to go back in with that foundation, just cover it a bit, and then the white foundation and then use the brush again to cover that part. Perfect. Now there's no creasing anymore. So I'm going to just make sure they all look the same. Then I'm going to clean up the brush again because I need to go in with a new color and I like the way this brush is. I have only one of this brush, so bear with me. Then I will use the second color, which is this green, right next to it. I'm having so much fun. It's really good. I love the way this is coming out. I think I want to dip in my purple more, but we'll still get there. We'll still get there. Next, I will go in with the shade right here. Just one palette, guys. This shade right here. Final touches, which is with the purple. Yeah, yes, auntie. Now this is what we are looking like, and I love it so far. I know I'm looking crazy because my whole face is not yet done, but guys, just take a look at this. Now I'm going to go finish up the rest of my face and then I'll be right back to show you what next or how the final look. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Just in a second, I'll be right back. So guys, this is the finished look using the Nubian face palette. I was going for a multiple color theme and I love the result. I was also going for a cold look, so I used a lot of blush that is very visible, and I also used blush on my nose. I didn't want so much dimension on my face, so I didn't contour at all. I just used highlight on my face, on the areas of my face I wanted to be highlighted, and then I used my regular foundation. Now, what else? I went off, did my face, put on lashes, and at the bottom of my eyes, I ended up using the same colors I used for my lid at the bottom of my eyes, and then I used mascara. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join the Amaket family, okay? And I will see you guys in my next video. Leave a comment if there are more looks you want to see. Do you want to see more cut crease? Do you want to see more neutral looks? Do you want to see more? Tell me what you want to see so I can put out the content for you, okay? And I'll see you in my next video.